My dear students, in today's online class, we will learn how to write a whole number and tens into tens and a whole number and half into tens. So, a whole number and tens into tens, how we will write? At first, we will multiply this 1 and 10. 1 into 10 plus these 3. So 1 tens are 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. And this 10 by 10. So the answer we are getting 13 by 10. Next also you will do in the same way. 1 whole number and 1 tens. So at first multiply this 1 and 10. 1 into 10 plus this 1 by 10, this 10. So 1 tens are 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10. The answer is 11 by 10. Look at sum number 3. 2 wholes, 6 tenths. So at first you multiply 2 and 10. 2 into 10 plus this 6 and by 10, this 10. Then 2 tens are 20 plus 6, 20 plus 6, 26 by this 10. So 26 tenths is the answer. Then look at sum number 4. 3 wholes, 3 tenths. At first multiply 3 and 10. 3 into 10 plus these 3 by this 10. Now 3 tens are 30 plus 3 by 10, this 10. You will write here 30 plus 3, 33, 33 by 10. So the answer is 33 tenths. Now, how we will convert a whole number and half into tenths. Now, half means, dear students, look at the picture. Consider this is a square. Now, break it into 2 equal parts. Now, this is one part and this is 2 parts. So, this one you can written as half because this one part is the half of this part. Now at first we will multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2 plus this 1 by 2, this 2. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 by this 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now we will convert it into tens. Now children, you know that in the previous class you had learnt that 3 is the numerator of a fraction and 2 is the denominator of a fraction. So 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are 10. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. Now 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. So it is said 15 tenths. Look at example 2. 2 is the whole number. 2 wholes and half. So at first we will multiply 2 and 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are 4 plus this 1 by 2, this 2. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, this 2. Now 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are 10. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10. And the answer is 25 tenths. And look at sum number 15. 2 wholes and 1 fifths. We have to write it as tenths. How we will write? This is a mixed fraction. At first you convert it into a simple fraction or an improper fraction. So at first you will multiply 2 and 5. 2 into 5 plus this one by 5. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1 by 5. This 5. 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Now we will convert it into tens. 5 how many are 10? 5 2s are 10. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 11 2s are 22. So the answer is 22 tenths. Thank you children. Today up to this, and you will do the homework of exercise 7a. This exercise, question number C, sum number 6 to 14.